Alright guys, I don't know if you can hear that squealing. It sounds like a damn blower. I promise I have not put a blower on this car. That might be an issue. It's not the belt, it's coming from the back side of the motor. So yeah, not quite sure what the hell that is, but we'll find out here. So yo guys, what's up, what's happening? Welcome back to Rob's Garage. If you're new to the channel, please, thank you for coming. Watch this video, and if you want to, subscribe, see more upcoming videos. And if you're coming back, I appreciate you. Alright, as you just seen in the last video, we had some issues. We had some noises, didn't know what they were. So I'm home now, got to my work clothes. Already found the problem. Now we're gonna crawl underneath there and let you see the problem. Alright, give me 1 second. Hey guys, so we're here underneath the car. Remember I told you the fake blower came from the backside of the motor? Well, I got down here, actually in the end of that video, where I explained the online time slip. When I cut off the video there, the car wouldn't even crank again. You heard the starter engage with no noise. So wife and kid came out, we pushed it, we got it cranked, came home. That's an issue. So this bolt backed out and the top bolt is completely missing. Now when I put the clutch in, I had to hurry up because I thought the place I was using, I had the lifts and stuff closed at 7. They really closed at 5. So I rushed. I guess I didn't check the bolts. So I have got a bolt. We're going to attempt to put her in. So really the reason I'm showing you is whenever you're doing something, right, I definitely encourage you to get out working your car, but always do a nut and bolt check. Now this really ain't that serious, but if I was doing something like lower control arms and I didn't tighten the bolt and the ball joint came off, that sucks. It actually happened to me before in a Blazer. I didn't touch it, but it's something that you want to get in the habit of doing. As soon as you work on something, after you're done, make sure you double check, make sure everything's tight, because this is just a starter, thank goodness. And I'm assuming that noise was the starter rubbing on the flywheel, so hopefully the flywheel's good. We'll find out. Alright guys, so once you put the top bolt in, the easiest way to do it is Foxbody's got these 2 holes. It's right up here above your lower control arm, and then you put a flex joint up there, and then you can just crank her down. There, she's tight. She shouldn't come out anymore. Once you get the top one, nice little gear wrench, put on the right side. Alright, so both of these have lock washers on them. They did have lock washers on them before that, so she's in there. If that doesn't work, I'll put some thread locker on there. You really never want to put thread locker on like anything that's got to come off like pretty soon, like a starter. I know a lot of people will say to run those, but that's not what you really want to do. So I guess the only thing now left to do is crank it up and make sure the flywheel's not too badly damaged. I don't even know what this is. It looks like old ass electrical tape. What is that? Oh, that hose is in half, so hopefully this hose is not that important. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh, one other thing I learned crawling underneath here, you see all the oil. I wash this car off regularly, so see that strut's blown, so I guess coilover is coming to the front of this car very soon. So let's find out what that is, that hose that's cut in half, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so apparently that's blown seat. Oh god, I haven't been underneath here in about a month. Great, so that seal's leaking, so we'll replace that seal. Order coilovers for the front. What else could go wrong, right? We still got to get rid of the fucking pump as soon as I leave. Turbo drain is, I don't know if that's leaking or if it's from this, but anyway, that what I was talking about is just layered so deep in tape that I thought it was broken and it was a hose, but turns out it's just wires. I think that's the starter wires, to be completely honest. So great. Actually, I'm gonna grab some zip ties and zip tie that bad boy up there. So never go wrong with having too many zip ties. If you're wondering why I got this heater on, Colorado sucks. It is still extremely cold here. Kind of. Today is pretty nice, up in the 40s. Yesterday it was snow, so we're almost able to do race car things. I don't even know why I'm putting that on. So I don't know if I can even pick it up. I'm telling you, everything in life can be fixed with zip ties. Like I said, I'm pretty sure it's a starter wire, so it's not something we really want flopping around. You know, a constant hot. I mean, maybe get the insurance money. Don't tell Geico. Alright, so nothing left to do. Just get her off that itty bitty little jack. See if she cranks up. Hopefully that fixed her. We'll find out. Sitting in the Mustang. I haven't tried it yet. Let's find out. Hopefully. Come on, baby. Ooh. Ooh. She's back. Oh, she's back. That feels good. Hey, the blower noise is gone. Again. Alright, so just a short video for you guys. I just really wanted to show you that, like, you know, my luck, the starter would fall out of the car. Not really fall out, but just become unsecure. My fault. But I appreciate you guys tuning in.